This is a video tutorial on how to make homemade fire cider. Fire cider is a traditional folk remedy, typically taken to boost immunity during cold and flu season or as a warming tonic in cooler months. Most fire cider ingredients can be found at the grocery store, making it a wonderfully affordable and easy do-it-yourself herbal medicine. This recipe is loosely based on Rosemary Gladstar's classic fire cider formula. This recipe is for approximately a half gallon. All herbs may be chopped by hand or put in a food processor. First, chop up a half a cup of onion. Onions are particularly high in quercetin, a potent flavonoid and antioxidant that has antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Next, chop up a half a cup of horseradish. Horseradish is a vasodilator, bronchodilator, and expectorant. In other words, it's an excellent remedy for clearing the sinuses and creating movement in the body. Chop up a half a cup of garlic. Garlic has sulfur compounds that are known to be antiviral and antibacterial, making garlic an important ally at the onset of a cold. Chop or grate a quarter of a cup of ginger. Ginger is a warming herb that increases circulation and movement in the body. It effectively delivers all of the medical constituents in fire cider throughout the entire body. Chop or grate 1/8 of a cup of turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most well-researched and effective anti-inflammatory medicines in the plant kingdom. Chop up 1/8 of a cup of hot peppers or use 2 teaspoons of dried cayenne powder. It's better to play it safe with hot peppers. You can always add more cayenne powder later if you'd like your fire cider to be hotter. Hot peppers are warming herbs that support circulation, have vitamin C, and are traditionally taken at the onset of a cold. Add a tablespoon of rosemary. Rosemary contains thymol and other antiviral constituents, as well as being a nervine, which can help calm the system. Next, add a tablespoon of thyme. Thyme contains thymol, one of the strongest antiviral constituents in the plant kingdom. Next, zest 2 lemons. Lemon peel has citrus bioflavonoids, which reduce oxidative stress in the body. And finally, juice the lemons. Lemon juice is high in vitamin C and adds a wonderful flavor to your fire cider. Place your herbs in an appropriate sized mason jar. We suggest a half-gallon jar for the proportions in this video. You'll want to leave 3 to 4 inches of space at the top for apple cider vinegar. Don't be afraid to split your herbs between several jars in order to leave room for the apple cider vinegar at the top. If you do this, just be sure to mix all of your herbs well before transferring. Apple cider vinegar extracts and preserves the medicinal properties of the herbs in your fire cider, as well as being naturally antimicrobial. Wait 4 to 6 weeks, shaking every day. Strain out the herbs, reserving the liquid, and add honey to taste, which is approximately a half a cup of honey for a half gallon of fire cider. Gently warm the honey for ease of pouring. Honey soothes the body and makes your fire cider more palatable by buffering the intensity of the herbs. Fire cider should taste hot, spicy, and a touch sweet. Enjoy an ounce a day as a preventative warming tonic, or up to 3 to 4 ounces a day when fighting off an illness. Enjoy your homemade medicine! For more videos and plant teachings, visit Wild Medicine School at the link below.